Welcome to Section 1. Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program used worldwide in various fields. It helps you store, organize, and analyze data efficiently, making it an essential tool for business, education, and personal use. Excel allows you to create spreadsheets with rows and columns, where you can enter numbers, text, and formulas to perform calculations. It also provides tools to visualize data with charts and graphs. Whether you are managing a budget or analyzing scientific data, Excel can make your tasks easier. In this guide, we will explore the basics of Microsoft Excel, covering its interface, basic functions, and how to create charts. By the end, you will be able to use Excel to improve your productivity. Learning Excel may seem daunting at first, but with practice, you will become proficient. Let's start by understanding what you can achieve with Excel. Moving on to Section 2. What can you do with Excel? Excel is incredibly versatile with many uses. You can use it for simple tasks like making lists, or for complex tasks like creating financial models. Here are some common uses of Excel. 1. Data storage. Excel allows you to store large amounts of data in cells organized into rows and columns, making it easy to access and update information. 2. Data analysis. Excel provides tools to analyze data. You can use formulas to perform calculations and functions like sum and average to help summarize data. You can also filter and sort data to find specific information. 3. Reporting. Excel helps create professional reports. You can format your data to make it presentable and add charts and graphs to visualize data, making it easier to understand and share information. 4. Automation. Excel can automate repetitive tasks. You can use macros to record and run a series of actions, saving time and reducing errors. In the next sections, we will learn how to perform these tasks. Let's start with opening Excel and getting to know its interface. Now, let's dive into Section 3, Getting Started Opening Excel. First, you need to open Excel on your computer. Click on the Start menu and search for Excel. Then click on the Microsoft Excel application to open it. You will see a welcome screen with options. To create a new spreadsheet, click on Blank Workbook. This will open a new Excel workbook, which is a file that contains your data and can have multiple sheets to organize information. You can also open an existing workbook by clicking on Open and selecting a file from your computer. This is useful if you want to continue working on a saved project. Once you have a workbook open, you are ready to start working. The next step is to understand the Excel interface. Welcome to Section 4, Understanding the Excel Interface. The Excel interface consists of several components. At the top, you will find the ribbon, which contains tabs with different tools and commands. Each tab has groups of related commands. Below the ribbon is the workbook, which contains your data organized in sheets. Each sheet has a grid of cells where you enter data. Columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, etc. and rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, etc. The name box is located above the grid on the left and shows the address of the selected cell. For example, if you select the first cell, the name box will show A1. Next to the name box is the formula bar, where you can enter and edit data or formulas. At the bottom, you will find sheet tabs. You can switch between sheets by clicking on these tabs. You can also add new sheets or rename existing ones. Understanding the interface will help you navigate Excel more efficiently. Section 5. Navigating through Excel. Navigating through Excel is simple once you know the basics. You can move around using your keyboard or mouse. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Using the keyboard. Use the arrow keys to move up, down, left, or right. Press Enter to move to the cell below. To move to the cell on the right, press Tab. Use Ctrl plus arrow keys to jump to the edge of the data. 2. Using the mouse. Click on a cell to select it. Drag the mouse to select multiple cells. Use the scroll bars on the right and bottom to move around the sheet. 3. Selecting cells. Click and drag to select a range of cells. To select an entire row or column, click on the row number or column letter. To select all cells in the sheet, click on the box at the top left corner above row 1 and left of column A. 4. Zooming in and out. Use the zoom slider at the bottom right corner. This helps you see more or less of your sheet without changing the data. Practice these navigation tips to become comfortable with moving around Excel. Next, we will learn